Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10T and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app on our OnePlus smartphone, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that we should click here to manage accounts on this device. Tap here to this account and click on the right upper corner on these three dots. Then click to remove account, confirm your action by click here to remove account again. And now in Google account settings we can see that we stay only with one Gmail, that we have no Gmail accounts in Google settings, and also here in our Gmail application we can see that we successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.